Hi everyone, Tomas and I are here at the kitchen at Second Harvest, and we're joined by Laurent Zarate, chef and owner of the restaurant Fleur de Sel restaurant and creperie.
Yes.
Thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me.
You've been here at Second Harvest before. You
I
teach
love
some
it here.
classes
Yes,
and
I
that
do.
sort of
I
thing.
do. I do teach class for people that need to learn how to cook, simple food with simple products.
Right,
Yeah.
and the Second Harvest Food Bank does so much for
They do.
the community,
They do.
and the local farmers and growers do a lot for Second Harvest. I guess a third of the food that is here at Second Harvest comes from the Washington farmers, the ranchers, and the wholesalers. So pretty amazing what
It's a big organization
Second
for a
Harvest
big
does.
heart.
Yeah,
with
and they
big
have a
heart.
beautiful kitchen.
They do. They
which
do.
is where we're at. And we get to taste some recipes that have been sent in by Washington-grown viewers. So this is really exciting. And today we get to talk about wine as the ingredient.
Wine, it's
Yeah.
what a beautiful region to grow wine. I mean, there's 14 AVA in the state of Washington, and it's booming. It's
We're
the
becoming
industry of
very well known for our wine. So we're going to be cooking with wine. So Lisa sent us in her recipe for traditional spaghetti bolognese.
Bolognese. That's right up my alley.
That's your neck of the
woods.
I know.
So apparently she got this recipe from an Italian friend while living in France.
Well, if she
Okay.
was living in France, she must be a good cook.
There we
right?
go. So let's
I'm
find
excited.
out. Here's how we make Lisa's traditional spaghetti bolognese. Good stuff. And look, we have
smells
some
great.
wine. So a little
Santé,
cheers
salud.
before we dig in.
Santé. Oh.
And so with this, I think they used a Walla Walla wine, Waterbrook.
Yeah, Cabernet, that's
recipe.
perfect. Big wine.
That's good.
Good. You know, she put a touch of cream at the end, and I think it brings a little more, less acidity to the tomatoes.
Is that an unusual thing to put?
It is a little unusual,
For
but
tradition.
I think that's perfect because you cannot see it too much, and it's the right amount. It's not a creamy bolognese. In the classic dish, you add grated orange at the end.
Oh, okay.
And that makes a little difference on the dish, but I like what she did.
And
That-
always
that
cook
makes-
with wine that you want to drink.
Yes,
Right?
yes, exactly.
Don't cook with wine that you don't want to drink.
Well, she did a great
Wine
job.
that you
She
want
did a
to
good
drink.
job. I love it, and
Very
it's
good.
delicious. My Italian descendants are talking to me right now.
Cheers to Lisa.
Cheers to you. Salute.
To get Lisa's recipe for spaghetti bolognese, visit wagrown.com.